Hi folks, Andrew here from Celebrity Cars. Here we have a Factory 5 1965 Shelby Cobra. We're going to do a little condition report on it. We're going to see if there's chips or scratches, just overall on the body and the interior and around the engine bay. We'll take a little look, and the wheels basically. So we'll start at the front here. We just got this car back from the detailer. So we did. So this is a fiberglass body car. You can see there's just a few little rock chips here at the front, tiny, tiny little chips. Just looking down here, there's a little chip right here. A few little chips here, a little scratch down here, and a scratch there, and a scratch there. A few little chips right here. The wheels, obviously they're not center lock, bolted on, in good condition. Can't see any scrapes or scratches. Overall, good shape. Tires, plenty of tread on them. Coming down here, you see a little chip right here. Just a little bit of road wear, not much, not bad. Just, you know, here. A little bit of road wear right here, you know, from the rocks coming from the front tire here and here. Not bad. A little bit of a paint crack right there. And if you come over the overall part here, you know, a little bit of cracking there from the paint. Nice finish on the car. Lots of detail, and just this would need touched up. So would that part there from a bodywork guy, or you could touch it up with touch-up paint. Come to the back of the vehicle here. Just start with this wheel here. Good shape. The wheel, everything else. No scrapes or scratches. Good shape. Just trying to look for just scratches and stuff. Open up the trunk here. Obviously a trickle charger right here. The battery's in behind there. Chrome seems to be in good shape. No scratches, no wear, no abrasions on it. Just looking down here. Looks pretty good. Can't see much, no scratch or chips right here. Two little tiny little chips there, and here probably putting gas in. This wheel here looks to be in good shape too. No cracks, no scratches. All in pretty good shape. Sorry about the dust. We live in Las Vegas. There was this dust storm here yesterday. And if you come down here, you can see where there's just, you know, just road wear, just basically from the front tire. Little chip right here. Then we'll take a look at the interior in here.
Finish up with this tire.
Oh, I'm sorry. No strips or scratches. It's all good shape. No rub. Any kind like that.
Can we open up the
Yeah.
talk about it?
Okay, so basically small block motor with injection system. All good working order. Basically all detailed inside here. All right. And then your interior here, you have just the one roll bar here on the driver's side. Typical Cobra interior. All good shape, no scripts, no scratches, no rips, no tears in both seats. They're all in good shape. The carpet and everything's in immaculate condition.
Leather use? Leather use?
The leather's in good shape. There's no rips, no tears. The stitching's not separating. You know, we're believed, you know, on the odometer here, it's just over 2,000 miles. The dash is in good shape, no cracking, no weathering. The leather's in good shape. Or around here.
Passenger side?
Yeah. If you look over the passenger side here, again, no rips, no tears. Stitching's not separated. It's all good shape. This is all good shape too. No rips or tears. Yeah. All right, folks, so after this, we're gonna go for a quick spin. We're gonna check the brakes, the steering, the lights, make sure everything works, and we'll get back to you. Thank you. All right, folks, we're back in the 65, factory 5 built Cobra. We're just gonna take it around the block here for a quick spin. We're just gonna check the brakes down here and just overall, just see how it all feels. All right, and away we go. Select first gear. And we're gonna hit the brakes here at about 25, on up a bit, sorry. Now. Brakes feel all right. Couple of speed bumps here. And we're going to go up through the gearbox here. Gears feel good. Acceleration feels fine. All right, folks, just finished the drive in the 65 Cobra. Feels fine. Gears feel fine. Steering feels good and tight. Delivery feels good. Please check us out. The car will be listed on celebritycars.com. Give us a call on 702-818-1031, and thank you for watching.